Sanibulane. Sanibulane. Ithi yezamini ngadlala wo. Yes sir. Sekeme khebinzo thithela khebinzo. The love. Abanye bangazi uDurban Gen, abaningi bangazi uDurban Gen, abanye bangazi uZalo, bangazi uSibiya, bangazi igama lami ngumthandeni babo. Igama lami ngumthandeni babo. Bafethu ukuze sisozwana. Ukuze sisozwana shuthe masiqeda la ngicela ngilalele. Ngoba nje very short, very few. Ingoma masingena bafethu asingene ngengoma. Asikwazi besigene nje bring that spirit. Miss Shy, when this happened, khohlwa. So we must capture the moment, again. Capture the moment, usahamba futhi. But I think it's we are playing at the show bar futhi. One day, we'll explore social practicals. Kwezinye izinto. Ke sithola manje ngifisa kabe khona ngibabona, ngibathi. All right. Arts, drama, speech and drama. Bafethu, njengoba sila. Through your attitude, out of 5, only 3 will make it in life. Because of your attitude. In life, you will succeed through academic or through your God-given talent. Either academic or your God-given talent. It's God-given talent. Now, in arts or in drama or performing arts, it is very much aligned or with skill, or it's more or less like a sport. You need to have talent first and foremost. As far as food is talent, food is talent. Just like in soccer, we work on the talent first, then we can nurture the talent. Same thing like with the arts industry, arts sector. There must be a bit of talent. Ngeke sifundise siyafundisa 10 years, 20 years ngeke. Makungekho ukuthiwa ave phaphile shema nimfake akusebenzi lokho. It's a skill that has to be nurtured. It's a skill njengoba khona imbonge yafika la. Khona imbonge bila. Khona imbonge bila. Hayi siya. Khohla is professional. Khona ungelela wabela la. Ngiyakhumbula. Dalo like magama akhe 12 but he was performing like but the talent is there. But the skill I see equal. That's what I'm talking about. Now do it make sense? So if we talk 7 and 9 I'm flat, we say into because the talent is corner, but the skill, how to perform, how to capture the audience, how to move, everything. Just because of the academic I know rights over there to us as school. This is a career on its own. It means through this talent. I'm one of the products, a talent. But because of who am I going, when and why, let me show to earlier on. I am la and you connect on his cards. She production is shoot and plant. Because I understand the importance of us coming to this place. I understand how it feels to have no one believing in you. The dreams that you have, to have no one believing in them. I understand how it feels. My own mother, I will show you Job spread matric like we have. That I enjoy duty, I went to acting. But I'm getting serious. Like for now. Like no, like I come from a down of similar to this nature. So what I will tell you about our cause, I will just continue about my time. Okay, ebhangeni yelokishini la sihlese khona ubani omaziyo eThai? Akekho. Uyambona uSiyawo cousin wakho, uSiyawo efuna mangosuthu, my cousin. Well, 3 years, straight went to mechanical engineering. Tumbonile uthenga iBM, kwathiwa nawe uyokwenza mechanical engineering eMangosuthu. Ngathi noma ithi kwathiwa no, uyokwenza lento esishoyo manje. I went eMangosuthu ngaya kanye eklasini. Kwathiwa settle bisect into ngathi ayonto engifunayo le. Ngaqoqa. I went out. I went once eklasini eMangosuthu mechanical engineering. Fast forward, story for another day. That is why I did that. Because I've always known, I've always been sure. Even in high school, my friend would ask me, so because of technical high school, where I was doing the electrical engineering, but no common, no electronics, no motormechanics. But you talk after that, it's a concert to be backstage. Also music example, like the subtitle and the bed level. Like, hey, imagine if I'm through backstage, I'm so tired. Then they'll laugh at me. All my friends, they'll laugh at me. All of them, it's okay. But because I knew from a very early age, go to Durban and Funani, I've always known. Yes, it feels because I'm part of me, but I've always been truthful to my dream. Always. That is why I'm trying to ekhuluma ngizontshela ask eNtabende kusho drama. Of which I challenge me now, it's more requires more of languages. At least or science, because I'm a got more languages. I recommend DUT, UKZN. University of Zululand, yes, yeah, but DUT and UKZN, I recommend DUT, they apply code, but for the drama. If you're serious about drama, if you've got talent about your performer, if you've got this burning desire, because it's just like a calling, this thing of drama, of performing. It's like a calling. You can't sleep, you don't sleep. And every time you see a performance, it just evokes something in you, and when it comes out. I know, but it takes discipline, commitment, perseverance for you to become whoever or whatever you so wish to become in life. If you don't know who you are, where you're going, when you want to get there, and how to get there, you'll be these 2, and 10 out of 5, only 3 will make it. You'll remain with about 2. So it's up to you. Every dream that you have is solely up to you. No parent of yours will make it come true for you. Not even your own mother will make it come true for you. Not Babu, not Tishunkuru. No one will make it come true for you. Then after school and after graduating, you need to get an agent. Why acting? Look my performing arts acting. You need to get an agent. The agent then takes care of you. He becomes your manager. He or she becomes your manager. You know, film savings. That's how it works. I will feel filming in Ghana. I will fire your parent. The production houses, they come to the agencies. eNtabende Gen, my friend, my actors, they will come to the production agencies. Unuban. Then this best keeper. Then this is your cast. As far as Fagan. Ungahamba zonke inyanga ugquma angeke kwenzeke. So after my universities, if you want to finance awukho kahle kahle, akhona more or less like TVET colleges. Makhona i-Creative Arts College in Durban. Ikhona i-KCAP kwaMashu. Ikhona iKababa Performing Arts Academy. They are called academies. The academies, just like in soccer, they are football academies. They hone the skill. Because after everything is said and done, your degree, your diploma is selected, then it's you and the director. Siya Odishina. Go to now they want to see the talent in you. Yes, you graduate chilling at 20 people, but now the talent has born an action. You can be a script writer, you can be a producer, you can be a director, but you have acting. To tell you the truth, if acting is evolving, unfortunately, it is because Now, acting is becoming what we don't know that. Acting now is more about faces. Now we have more models on screen than real actors on screen. So now acting is about numbers now. Social media. Numbers, how many followers do you have? If I'm telling the 5 followers, 10,000, they will cast more than me. Why? Because my poster is show actor. If a poster, 10,000 people will reach him, then me, who is a real actor. So now we are losing. So we're having a challenge. We're having a challenge in the industry. So now if you are weak, and if you don't you won't survive in this industry. I tell you now, do not even come. It's not as gloomy, as beautiful as you see us on TV. It is not. Kuyashisa wayethi, kuyashisa. Some of us, Durban Gen, sigcine ukuhola ngo-October 31. Umsebenzi uphelile. Durban Gen uphelile, Imbewu uphelile, Komori uphelile. Actors are hungry. Except me. But actors are hungry. Now you need to find more ways to create jobs. And if you are not a creative, because of the fame, of which now the fame is a very dangerous drug on its own. So now you must come here with a clear mind. You are here because of the arts in you, or you see yourself in the arts. You must be very clear. Is it the burning desire in you, or is it the will? Now we won't come out. So you must be very, very clear about this. If you come into this industry, it is not as beautiful as you think it is out there. Thank
you very much, Pat.